Hi everyone and welcome back. We will be discussing about how to add a website to LinkedIn profile. Before we start, click the link in the description below to get 50% off the highest rated LinkedIn growth course by LinkedIn's top influencers that will teach you exactly how to grow and monetize your LinkedIn account. Now coming back onto the video, make sure that you are on your LinkedIn profile, and once you are here, you are going to be simply clicking on this pencil icon on top of your profile. Once you click on this, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you can see website. Add a link that will appear on top of your profile. So you are going to be adding in here what you need. So enter the website URL in here and click on save. Once you do that, it will be displaying on top of your profile. I hope this helps. So that is it for this video. Now before we end this video, do not forget to get your 50% discount to start growing your LinkedIn account by clicking the link in the description below. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.